Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Roblox error 403. So let's get started. So it is very easy to fix. So here we'll just go and see for the Roblox app. So here you can see the Roblox app. So to fix it, you have to follow this easy step. So here you have to press and hold. Just go to that I button. It will open the app info section of that app. Just go to the storage. Clear the data existing. Okay. Then you have to open the app again. If it works, then fine. If it doesn't work, just update it. And it should work. And then you can open and log into the app and it will work. So this is how to fix your Roblox error 403. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.